So as you can see, I've already mixed up some of the colors we will be using today, but I figured I'd show you how I mix up one of them at least with this stuff. So this is the Deco Art pouring medium. Like I said, it said to use 3:1 for it's heavy body acrylics, so don't need that much. That's why I didn't add much. Oh. Come on. Doesn't. There we go. As you can see, there's like chunks of yellow that I gotta break up. It says do it gently, but what's gentle? I don't know. So so this is a medium body acrylic. It's not a heavy body acrylic, because a heavy body acrylic would be completely different. A lot more thick. Okay. I have to add water to thin that out a little bit more. I know it sounds funny because the bottom of the cup has things, and yeah. There, that's better. Okay, so now that all the paints are thinned out, I am going to add silicone. Artist Loft silicone to all of them. Actually, scratch that. I'm gonna go prep a canvas and I'll be back. Okay, I have a 12 by 12 canvas prepped, and what I mean by that is I like to tape my bottom with painter's tape, and I use jumbo push pins to hold my canvas up. Yeah, it's not even wonky. So, winning. Oh, I never even added silicone. Ha ha ha! Onward. So, add 3 to that one. Add 4 to that one. 5, 4. Oh, water. Ha ha ha. I'm like, oh, did I get silicone on me? No. Okay. I don't have any white, so this should be interesting. So this says, water-based, non-yellowing soap and water for cleanup. Okay. Create rich, vibrant paint pours with this fluid pouring medium. Thins paints to ideal consistencies, creates cell effects, and reduces cracking for pour painting. So that's why on that last video I said I don't think this caused the cracking. I think it was this that caused the cracking. Not a fan of the school glue method, but that's neither here nor there. Okay. I will start with a little bit of blue. And next I'll add purple. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Pink. Purple. yellow. And then I'll just finish it up with a little bit of blue on top. Maybe I'll do a little... Yeah. Trying to see what I can do here because I want to make this cup kind of full. Alright, I gotta grab gloves. Should have thought this through. Didn't. Twice now. That could have been bad. Baby powder thing was open. I almost knocked it over. Whew, whew. Heart attack and a half. Excuse me. I had shepherd's pie earlier and it's sitting real nice, to say the least. Okay. Push you up a little bit. Yeah. Maybe not that high. There we go. A little bit lower. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wow, that's bright, but it's real pretty. Oh man, that flows so good. Oops. Pretty. Get this last corner. I'm not real good. I also got to get my corners once this is done. I like this, but this won't be everyone's cup of tea. I'll tell you that right now. I'm excited to see what cells show up in this, like, weird little blank spot up here. You can do it. Yay. Giving it some help in the corners. Any blank spots you see? Yeah, good, good, good. Okay. Okay, not really muddied a little bit. And that's kind of my fault. But, nah. Muddiness be gone! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna let this sell out for a little bit and I will get you back down for a flyby. Ah, it worked, I'm so happy. This turned out absolutely insane, but I love it. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. I'm really happy that I experimented with this pouring medium. Honestly, I don't think I would have tried a different pouring medium if it wasn't for the fact that I absolutely ran out of Floetrol, which kind of sucked. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time.